Alright, today at Ten Labs we got a special guest star. One of our local radio celebrities from up north, Trailer Park, has brought us a Ten Tec Titan. Yeah, buddy. So we're going to go through this thing from the plug all the way through the tubes and then some. I mean, we're going to troubleshoot this thing from one end to the other. Check it out, make sure everything's good. So we're going to be doing a lot of testing today. And pretty much most of this testing we're going to be doing is going to be involving a volt-ohm-meter. So it's going to be our primary weapon of attack. Stay tuned. We'll be back at Ten Labs. Okay, the Ten Tec project. Pretty much think we got this nailed down. We ended up having to pull the rectifier board out, and there was a trace blown. That trace is actually part of the safety interlock system. It was tied in with a couple of the interlock switches. Not the high voltage shorting safety switches, but the actual interlock switches. There's one in the power supply, and there's one in the RF deck. So basically, we went ahead and repaired the blown trace, fixed the broken wire. We had to replace one fuse holder because it got damaged. The fuses were blown. Everything points to the problem with the safety interlock switch on the high voltage. Probably up in the RF deck. I'm thinking maybe that glitched out and did a bunch of damage. So the power deck is done. The RF deck, we went all through it, and anything that looked funky we went ahead and fixed. So we're going to go ahead and send Trailer Park home with his baby, and hopefully when he gets it home it'll turn on now. Yay! There's no way to turn on that blown trace. Because it was part of the safety interlock switch. It's actually tied into the power relay that turns the thing on and off. So it should definitely turn on now. Should still make power, hopefully. I tested the tubes for any kind of shorts, and the tubes tested out okay as far as continuity tests. So that's it. Trailer Park's Ten Tec Titan 425. Hopefully it's all done and fixed and ready to go. We're going to send him back on his way up towards Seattle. Ten Labs, another fun project. Sorry I didn't make more videos of it, but yeah, there's a lot of work. We were just trying to get her done so he could get home and I can get dinner. And it's beer time for me. So we're going to sign off. Thanks for watching my videos, everybody. Have a good day. Ten Labs signing off.